Hello everyone, hope that you have an amazing day. In today's video we are going to see who has the best French fries. We're gonna be going to McDonald's, Burger King, Kentucky Fried Chicken, and as fourth entry I'm gonna make my own homemade French fries. Let's see if it's gonna be a success. We will be judging the fries by themselves and by dipping, because you cannot eat French fries without dipping. And I don't understand people that eat French fries without, must be either with ketchup, mayonnaise, mustard, ketchup, let me see ketchup again, because, well, I know a person who eats ketchup with everything, but that's also disgusting. I don't understand that. I'm gonna judge the fries from the car, because if I go bring the fries and go home, then all the fries, then the fries is gonna be cold. So, and you cannot eat cold fries, because cold fries, they taste gross and soggy. You can't judge a cold fry. I mean, it's like if you eat a cold, disgusting suck. That's no go. So first, let's try KFC. I always loved KFC's fried chicken. Oh my god, it's been a long time I didn't have them. But today we're gonna try their fries. Oopsie. They look like this. I have fries everywhere in the car. So first impression, not really good. They feel so soggy. I mean, plasticky. Well, let's try them first without the dipping. So I just need to take everything back what I said about Kentucky. You're very disappointing me. The fries are cold, KFC. They are cold, so they taste like the disgusting suck that I talked about earlier. So it's very, and there was no taste at all. Let's try them with some barbecue sauce. Well, it's almost not existing, the fries. I mean, I can only taste this, the barbecue sauce. The barbecue sauce is really good. It's just like they've never been there, the fries, and they are non-existing. That was really disappointing, Kentucky. I mean, I love your chicken, but your fries, no go. So we have this round thing that we call a potato. We're gonna wash it. Then you get a clean potato. And now we're gonna peel it. I hate peeling potatoes. We're almost there. Ouch! Well, I also peeled my finger. But we're not gonna eat peeled fingers or fried fingers. We're gonna eat fried potatoes. So now we're gonna cut it in slices. We're gonna cut it in. We're gonna try to cut it in different slices. Maybe thinner than this. The worst thing about cutting potatoes that you get so greasy fingers. So next one is gonna be McDonald's fries. I mean, I never been a McDonald's fan. I always thought that the food from McDonald's tastes like plastic. I mean, well, I never tasted plastic before, but they actually taste like plastic. So yeah, let's try their fries. They look like this. Well, pretty good first impression. Yeah, and the fries, they don't feel so soggy like Kentucky's. They're actually they feel crunchy and crispy. So let's first do the fry test. Let's take some fries. I'm gonna take 4 pieces, just because, yeah, I don't know why 4 pieces, but it sounds good. So actually saw a nice trick somewhere in some video where they cut the fries in half. As you can see, I don't know if you can see anything. Well, they're actually not bad. They taste crunchy, but unfortunately they're also cold. I don't know, it's not my lucky day today, so all the fries are cold. Kentucky's fries are cold and McDonald's fries are cold. So let's do it with the barbecue. Actually, you can taste the French fries from McDonald's with the barbecue, so you both taste. Well, let me taste the sauce. It's actually a very good barbecue dipping. So yeah, the combination of the fries and the barbecue dipping, it goes very good. I mean, you can taste the fries and the barbecue. So after cutting the potatoes, now it's time to make the barbecue sauce. I'm gonna use some ketchup, some chili powder, some honey, some soy sauce, vinegar, garlic, and tomato paste. Gonna take a bowl and we're gonna put some ketchup, some soy sauce. I don't know how much. I'm just putting there. Some honey. It must taste better than the other barbecue sauce. Some chili. Tomato paste, some vinegar, and garlic. Oops. So we're gonna mix everything together. Not bad. Last one we're gonna try here is Burger King. Oh my god! They're so thick. Look, it looks like, I mean, they're almost like my finger. So we're gonna do the usual test, where we're gonna cut the fries in half. So now we have, instead of 4 fries, I have 8 fries. Not flies, but fries. So we're gonna taste them without any dipping. They taste actually pretty good. They're good seasoned. They're salty, crispy, not that spongy. And now let's try them with the barbecue sauce. So the barbecue sauce from Burger King. Oh, that tastes awful. The barbecue sauce from Burger King is awful. It tastes really, really weird. No go. So when you fry French fries, it's very important that you use oil. Is that too much oil? Actually, I think I never made French fries at home. It's gonna be exciting what the result will be. So the oil is about to be there. It tastes actually good. Let's try to put the fries on the pan. Let's go. Ta-da! Great success. Don't throw the fries directly on the oil. I just burned my finger. 5 more minutes. Finito. So they're finished. Let's do the same thing as we do it with the fries from Burger King, Kentucky and McDonald's. So we're gonna take 2 pieces and just cut them in half. I mean, the homemade fries, I mean, you can feel they're crunchy, they're crispy. As you can see inside, they look more like real flies, not flies, flies. I mean, look at this, they look alive. So let's taste it without any dipping. I forgot salt. So let's try again. Ta-da! Let's try with the dipping. Look at the barbecue sauce. Oh my god, I didn't know that I had that much talent. My homemade French fries, they're so tasty and yummy. And with the homemade barbecue sauce, I will never eat it out again. Look at this. I can't stop eating. So it's judgment time. Whew. The fourth place goes to Kentucky. Kentucky, your chicken are lovely, but your fries sucks. I mean, how can you serve fries like that? These are not fries, these are plastic. They were tasteless. They had no, I mean, the fries was cold, like the disgusting suck. You cannot call those fries. I mean, there were no taste. They wasn't seasoned. They were blended. You cannot serve that to people. The only thing that saved them were the barbecue sauce. It was okay. And the third place goes to Burger King. The fries from Burger King, they were okay. They were seasoned. They were crunchy, and they were thick as my finger. But your barbecue sauce is awful. How can you call that barbecue sauce? It tastes like teeth. Second place goes to McDonald's. McDonald's. Yeah, I will never have said that, but normally I'm not a big fan of McDonald's food. I think, well, yeah, I think it tastes like plastic. Yeah, but the fries, the French fries from McDonald's, they had a pretty good taste actually. They were crunchy, they were crispy, and the barbecue sauce tasted very good as well. So the second place goes to McDonald's. And ladies and gentlemen, the big finale, the first place goes to Master Salim. The best fries on earth. Well, that's a bit exaggerating. Actually, my homemade French fries, they were super. Also, my homemade barbecue sauce. I hope you could taste it. Finished. So, no more fries for today. No more dipping, no more barbecue sauce. And yes, I am looking at you, I am talking to you. Yeah, you that the one that are watching my videos right now. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And if you would like me to make more challenges, taste more food, eat more food, please drop your comments and let me know what next challenge is going to be about. What food am I going to taste? Okay? Please don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Have a good one!